So there's one other way to look at three variables, and this is a two-dimensional scatter plot. But what you'll see here is we've got shark attacks on the x-axis, ice cream sales on the y-axis, and the color is no longer by city because we don't really care what's happening at each individual city. The color now is the high temperature. So we can see three variables at once now. We're seeing shark attacks, ice cream sales, and then the color of these dots is getting progressively warmer as we get up into that corner. So now you can see that trend with the three variables. The other things you can do with all of these charts is literally customize everything. I could change these to a different symbol. I could make them bigger. I could put individual data labels next to them that are always visible. I could make this bigger. I can change the size of this chart. Now, if the scale of this chart, see ice cream sales, 10K is right at the top of my data. So it gives me an accurate representation of the slope of this line. But if the scale of my chart went to 100,000 ice cream sales, then my line would look like this. And while there's a strong relationship between the two, it would look different. And that's what I mean about representing things. Luckily, Plotly takes care of a lot of that stuff for us. But if I wanted to see just those, see, I can zoom way in on just those cities. And I could still